Hey guys, it's Mrs. Cardone. Here's a quick review from class today. So I went ahead and drew in a graph for you, and I'm going to highlight what we need to cover for the domain, which remember those are all of our x values. X runs horizontal from left to right, so I'm going to start at the leftmost point and highlight all the way to the rightmost point. That just means the same location, and it's an open circle, so that's going to transfer to here. I'm going to do the same thing for the y values, but I'm going to go ahead and do those in a nice light blue so we can differentiate. So y values go from our minimum up to our maximum. And again, that's going to complete our window and let us have our y's. So back to our x's. Remember, x falls in the middle. So we're going from our smallest x, which is at -3, to our largest x at +4. If you always go least to greatest, then your sign will always point to the left, open towards the right. I have a closed circle on the left, so I know I can equal -3. I have an open circle on the right, so it just stays as a less than sign. My y values function the same way, but now I'm going to go from my minimum up to my maximum. Y's are in the middle. My minimum or smallest y value is -2. My largest y value is 3. So that tells me I can point towards the -2. There's a closed circle down there, so I can equal it. It's an open circle up top. So if I go to my next screen, I'll write it nice and neat for you in black. And we had -3 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 4 for our domain values. And -2 is less than or equal to y, which is less than 3 for our range values. Tomorrow we're going to talk about discrete graphs, and that's when we just have a bunch of dots, so it looks just like a bunch of points plotted and no lines connecting them. But hopefully this will clear up some of the confusion for you guys. If you were stuck a little bit in class today, feel free to message me on Edmodo if you have other questions.